Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
The peak in scryed Bitcoin production by 10% in July amid Texas power cuts. The mining firm reported incompletely powered down its Texas data center operation on several occasions in July to support the state-powered grid operator. Crypto mining firm Core Scientific report its operation product 1.21 Bitcoin in July, even as the company powered down several times in response to demand on the Texas power grid. In a Friday announcement, Core Scientific said its month-over-month Bitcoin production had increased from 1.36 in June to 1.21 in July, rose 10.4%. The firm reported curtailing operation due to extreme temperature at its multiple data centers, but also increased the number of its self-mining servers enhanced by 6%. According to Core Scientific, the company completely powered down in Texas data center operation on several occasions in July to support the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, or ECROT, which controls the state power grid. The firm report curtailing its power demand megawatts-hours. Residents in many parts of Texas experienced several consecutive days of temperature over 100 degrees Fahrenheit in July, with ECROT hyping forecast demand for electric could have surpassed the available supply. Rion blockchain, which also hosts mining operations in Texas, reported a 24% drop in its BTC production from June to July, from 120 to 318. According to CEO Jason Lees, the firm curtailed operation by 12,717. Core Scientific CEO Mike Levitt said in July the firm planned to expand its data center hosting capacity by 75 MW, meaning to have a hash rate of 30 by the end of 2021. As of July, the company reported it held were roughly 28 million, and the time of publication having sold more 7,000 BTC in June. The mining firm reported incompletely powered down in Texas data center operational on several occasions in July to support the state power grid operator. Crypto mining firm Core Scientific reported its operation product 1.21 Bitcoin in July, even as the company powered down several times its response to demand of the Texas power grid. In a Friday announcement, Core Scientific said its month-over-month Bitcoin production had increased from 1.10 in June to 1.21 in July, roughly 10.4%. The firm recorded curtailing operation due to extreme temperature at multiple data centers, but also increased the number of its self-mining servers enhanced by 6% and 10.9 access per second. According to Core Scientific, the company completely powered down in Texas data center, operational on several occasions in July to support the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, or ECROT, which controls the state power grid. The firm report curtailing its power demand megawatt hours. Residents in many parts of Texas experienced several consecutive days of temperatures over 100 degrees Fahrenheit in July, with ECROT having progressed demand for electric could have surpassed the available supply. Riot Blockchain, which also has mining operations in Texas, reported a 24% drop in BTC production from June to July.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.